Calling Daddy from a payphone.
Hi. What is
Sam,
the Christmas stuff?
Say we're at Bronner's and I'm calling you from a payphone.
I'm calling you for a payphone.
So you want to talk to Peyton?
Want to talk to Peyton?
Tell Daddy we're at Bronner's, Peyton.
We're at Bonners. We're at Bonners, Daddy. Huh? We're looking at toys. We're looking at toys.
Hey, Isaac's
What are
turn.
you doing?
Hold on, Isaac's turn.
Are you getting out of the way?
So we're at Bronner's in Frankenmuth.
We're at Bonners and Frankenmuth.
Talking
We're at
on the payphone.
Bonners. Talking on the payphone.
See, it cost him 50 cents.
I cost us 50 cents.
And actually, Mommy got back $1.
Mom got $1.
Say bye.
Bye bye.
Where's Mommy? Hello?